Tonight from the ABC7i team, a Supreme Court case that would be a game changer in the gambling industry. Legal wagering on college and pro sports. Eyewitness News investigative reporter Chuck Goudie joins us with late details. Chuck?
Rob, oral arguments today at the U.S. Supreme Court. If New Jersey wins and is allowed to offer wagering on college and pro games, there will be a chain reaction of sports betting across the country, according to one study reviewed by the I-Team. Indiana would see legal sports betting in 2 years, with Illinois and Wisconsin among the states legalizing it in 5.
This is a states' rights issue.
To New Jersey Governor Chris Christie, it is his state's right to legalize, regulate, and make money off of sports gambling. The Supreme Court today hearing Christie's challenge of a federal law banning most states from this kind of sports betting that is common and lucrative in Las Vegas. He wants the court to strike down that law, a ruling that would pave the way for people in Illinois to eventually bet on the Bears, the Bulls, or any other pro sports team and college games as well.
This is the fear of every governor, that we'll be at the mercy of the federal government and that they'll make us pay for it. It's not right, and I believe here that it's very clear that the federal government overstepped its bounds vis-a-vis state rights. I think it violates the 10th Amendment, and that's why I think you saw so many governors join as amici on this, because they understand today it's sports gaming, tomorrow it'll be something else.
While some states weighed in on New Jersey's behalf, Illinois did not, and there is no bill before the General Assembly here to open up sports wagering, but that could change quickly if the Supreme Court rules that states may authorize sports betting. Midwestern states would be among 32 where sports betting would be offered within 5 years, according to one evaluation by a firm that tracks state-by-state gambling legislation. On the steps of the Supreme Court today, Governor Christie wouldn't give odds, but seemed upbeat about his state's chances of being able to legalize sports betting. New Jersey's case appeared to get a receptive audience among the justices, although it is considered a risky bet to read Supreme Court tea leaves. No comment today from the Illinois Gaming Board that would end up regulating sports betting here if it were to happen. The NCAA and Major League Sports oppose an expansion of sports wagering, except for the NBA that is now embracing that move. A decision by the Supreme Court could come